Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Code Fleet and I am Vinay, and today we're going to be starting a new series. And in this series I'm going to be teaching you about what is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. So in this entire playlist we're going to cover some topics like what is HTML, what are tags, what are elements and attributes, comments, how to use comments, or like formatting and links, iframe, where iframe is used, how you can use them in your own web page, and styling those web pages, like giving them some color or giving some animations and other things. And after that I'm going to be showing you how to create a table in the web page, and how to use list, how to list some items, whether if it's unordered list or if it's ordered list. And at last I'm going to be showing you what are classes and what are IDs and how to use them, and what will be their benefits when we will be learning CSS. And if you don't know what CSS is, it's a cascade style sheet. And if you use CSS to decorate your, let's say decorate your entire web page, without CSS your web page will be like just a dead web page. So let's go and see what we can do here. Thank you so much.